Welcome to Camella's Kitchen. I'm Karen, and today I'm going to show you how to do some chicken kebabs. So we have some veggies, pineapple and chicken on a skewer. So if you stay with me, I'll show you exactly what you need to do. Hi, so I'm going to show you how to arrange your veggie, fruit or chicken on a skewer stick. And just to let you know that I have seasoned the chicken using our own island herb blend. We have a video showing you how you can season your chicken on YouTube. So we are available online on YouTube and showing you how to season your chicken. I like to show you how to arrange your veggie, fruits and meat on a skewer stick, and it can be arranged in any order using the pointed part of the stick. So I'm just arranging the veggie. I have meat, I have fruit, pineapple, I have mushroom, and I have zucchini on my stick. So the last thing I'm going to put here is a pepper. So always remember, the fruit, veggie or meat, you use the pointed part to get it done. So I'm just going to arrange it here and just let it sit here. So I have some that had already been arranged from before, so you're just letting it sit here. So let's fix it. And we're gonna let it cook. Hi folks, here we are again. So the 10 minutes is here. So let's check our kebab and see how it's going. Wow, it looks so beautiful. So it's almost here. So we're going to try our spicy mango chutney to give it that added spicy flavor. So let's brush it on. I am brushing it on the veggies and also on the chicken and the pineapple fruit. Okay? I can smell the aroma of that spicy mango chutney. Oh, take me back to the Caribbean. Okay, here we have brush on. Make sure each fruit have the spicy mango sauce. I'm going to leave this for 3 minutes and remove it from the grill. Okay? So I leave this for 3 minutes and we will be right back. So we are back and we have started taking the kebabs off the grill, and as you can see, it is nicely done. Very nicely done here with the spicy mango sauce. So there you have it folks, our spicy